Lucia. This one's for you. And you want to know about sports teams, and hobbies. Well, I want to apologize for the wind noise. It's kind of windy at the moment. Sports teams, I'm kind of torn, man, on college ball, Clemson and Georgia. That's where it's at. Pro ball, can't help it, man. I love the Steelers. As far as my hobby, that's her right there. That's my baby Black Betty. 07 Harley Davidson Street Glide. Way overbuilt motor. Running through 2 custom built mufflers, True Duals, custom heads, custom cams, custom computer. Let's just keep it simple, man. She'll haul ass. That's why I love her. Anyway, man, I don't remember if you wanted shout outs or not. Just in case you did, I got my youngin' out here with me. There's Little Stump. I got my other half, Stumphead Ivister. I got the entire crowd over at Jammy Time, which you'll find Jammy Time through Michelle just playing. You got Dish, you got TR, you got Supla, Gorilla Tavern. Hey, man, the list of cool ass channels just rocks on for days. So, yeah, there'll be a whole bunch of links down in the description box. It's starting to rain, and I got to get my camera and my baby the hell out of the weather. Be good, man. Y'all be good and take care.